Okay, now night me try make you one quick analysis long one asset in shallow market in order long try to speculate in where price might go next. Okay, quick one, 5 minutes. Okay, let's go. Click future market, my broker. Okay, me creating this demo account for the purpose of this short video. Okay, this low here me you can look at me got timeline me sorry, time frame me lawyer me got all indicators, chart, like the graph one kind we can choose him. Lawyer me got all tools, all tools me use him to analyze the market. And then this indicator, so me using this indicator named RSI. So this over the 4 years me trade and me customize him now, change him more settings and make him suitable or strategy. So this now you looking at price chart below Euro USD. Euro is the base currency, USD is the code currency or quotation currency. The price here is in US dollar and price below 1 plus euro in US dollar. Understand? Okay, so this is USD. You see on the right hand side, this one is USD. Price below 1 euro at US dollar in US dollar is given on this side. So if price you looking the price going up like this, making higher highs and higher lows, that's so emotion value belong euro increase, therefore the price also increase, become more expensive in US dollar. Hope I'm clear. Okay, now time frame to me start weekly. We select him D1 for daily time frame. That means one block candle now and 1 day. Okay, so if you count this, if this one candle is 1 day, then this 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and you have 1 week candle. Okay, me try analyzing market. So let's me start there. You can start any way you want, but let me start there. Again, look him. You have one low here. Okay, this one is a swing point. First thing Mr. like to find him out, or identify Mr. like to identify the swing points. That's where you try to find him out flow the market. So this one we have one low here, another one here, another one here, another one here, another blood here, and so this is the structure you're looking right now. We have a high, sorry, low. This low is higher than this previous low, because the low higher than this low. So this is the structure in the uptrend structure. When you see such structure forming, market is in uptrend, meaning people are buying, everyone is buying. So you too must be in the mindset or be prepared to buy the asset. Okay, so we have higher lows, and also when you look on top of the trend, you can see one high here, another swing points is higher high, higher high, higher high. So when the market is in uptrend, then we look at higher lows like this one and higher highs. So price is in an uptrend. So in order long make sure you follow along the trend. There's one strategy where you can draw trend lines. You can draw your trend lines like this. So trend lines are line where price react long, and so can you draw this one line? That's straight line up. Price come bounce one. You can wait. Price come touch this one again. You can buy again until time price break him. So trend line, uptrend line. Now I'm going sideways. I'm not more make him higher high and make him this one. You can look at make him lower high here. Okay, then I'm trying to make him high break above and make higher low, but fail, and then put down, come down. So from this low this side here, look at him. This one side, this side here, price is making price of euro is dropping. It started making, you can see low, lower high, lower high, lower high, which is a downtrend structure, meaning price is dropping or everyone is selling the asset. But in the overall trend, you can see price, we are still above all these lows, higher lows and higher highs. So in fact we are going sideways, but in this short period of time price are making a lick down channel, downtrend channel. Okay, so this is how we analyze the market. So when you try to place on the trade here, okay, so you look at making lower highs and lower lows down this. So you may draw him on that trend line, you make him this one line, down trend line, you may draw him by looking. Okay, price is falling down, you see, falling down. This one can be called a downtrend channel. It's like I'm kind of some water being on the pipe go down, and then I'm broken this look him 1 2 3 4 break but fail and fall down. Okay, instead of price by broken this level, now go down now and come turn around here, and time you look in this price turn him and move on top and make you this one low. We have this one low here, and then this low is higher than this. So in my mind that means sellers are, there's not enough sellers in the market, so buyers are in charge. So the trend trend might continue again. So yeah, so low, higher low, and then we break this level here, this previous lower lower high. We have one high here, lower high, lower high, lower high. This lower high price broke him, and now I make him higher high. Look him, this high is now lower than this high. So the character of the market change, the character of the price of this asset change. So now we draw a line again, we can see that okay, now it's starting to move up again. So there's a channel about to form. So let's go down to 4 hour. Okay, time you go down to 4 hour, you can look him. This is the same chart, 1 2 higher high, we draw him line, and you look him to 4 hour and make you one uptrend here. The channel, you see me draw him trend line and me join him and make one black channel. You see, high, higher high, higher high, higher high. Started making higher highs again. Let me put red. So sorry, higher high again, higher low. So higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. And now it's making one new higher low here and a touch the trend line. So what by making him actually meeting or say me find him entry point, let me finish. So this line entry point me now. Yeah, here. You see? That's a pattern. That's a pattern. The confirmation, everything we get is telling us price break him, so trend down trend line. You see we break him and it's started following this, started being him new channel up and in an overall uptrend. You see price go up down, sorry here, and started making uptrend. There's a short period of time and drop, click down channel and break him, and now start making up. So our 4 hour candle give us a really nice clear uptrend push, right, in a overall big uptrend channel here in our 1 day. So I think we find him entry point when we finish, which is this point here. So you can wait because you look him, we have this here high, higher high, higher high, higher high, price break and want to retest this key level. okay, this key level. So this one become a support. This one price touches the trend line, touches the support, and also already pulled out of the overbought, and now it's in the neutral area. So I think we are ready. You can go on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, there's, you can see this concept, what you call ICT concept of it's a fairly good, but that's later you can understand. I mean, find him out you yet, or maybe read him some advanced books about this. Now, beginner traders, first you need to understand them trend and support, trend line, market structure, price action, all this. So yeah, so this is our entry point. Look, you can like actually wait the price will go come touch the level for a like a more proper entry. Okay, so but if we look him this level here, sorry, not level, but hey, this one is say. So you look in here, you have a small support forming here. You see price come back up here. So this one, the resistance level, let's mark it red. So from the look of it, price come here, one supply, buyers buy here, push the price up, price coming back here. So if I push up, or me still think I'm back up, touches the trend line. It's a clear pattern forming. But short video, we don't want to wait, so let me just place in buy order here. Okay, let's go to buy new order. Buy. We analyze with the stop loss. Let's do 8 pips stop loss. 8 pips stop loss. We have $100. Let's risk risk $5, 5%. Okay, 480 is enough. So you may lose $5, $480. But if you may win, let's do 17 by making $10. Maybe one around a risk to reward of 1:2 or 1:2. So let's place a buy. Okay, take profit here, stop loss here. So price is dropping. Like I said, like so me to finish. Meeting price but drop come down. Now touching the trend line. But since me know what time, now you may just flow, then me just press a buy order here. So if price come here, no big deal. You may lose $5. So $95 still available to trade. So if me price come up here, we make generally $10, and that's how you analyze the market, and that's how you trade. Okay, very simple. But the most important thing is also, once you analyze the market, the first thing to do is to identify the flow of the market. It's like first you'll apply most la big low wara and run go on top or thumb or side, or once you identify and finish, then you just find the right point, you jump into this big flow. Now larim slawara karim, you go to profit. Okay, so if you go down 50 minutes, you may look in. So now price remain move, we are in profit now. So the profit margin remove from in profit margin again. The profit is moving live 40 cents, 34 cents. So if you are scalper, you can sit down and look, but normally once we set them trade we finish, me close him, now me go about doing other things. But that's a trade limit now. So but we post him result later low group if you may win, otherwise you may lose too, but post him result. So yeah, this is how me analyze the market. How you can analyze the market. The most important thing, first thing, identify the swing points. If it make higher high, higher low, that means you find the flow. okay, you are good to go. If price going sideways on a time frame, you see price will go sideways, not really good time to trade. Me like always trade low, flow market, meaning we are in uptrend or downtrend. Otherwise, it's better to not trade than to trade and lose.